Hi, I'm Tarek El Moussa, and if the face looks familiar, you might have seen me on HGTV.
And I'm Rae El Moussa, and if my face looks familiar, you might have seen me on Netflix and HGTV. Welcome to our home in Newport Beach. And then this is Buggy. We also have 3 kids. We have Taylor, who is 13. We have Braden, who's 8. And we have Tristan, who just turned 1 year old. You walk through our front door, bam, bar shot.
Straight to the bar, where of course we enjoy a lot of drinks.
We came in and we really thought about a vision for this house, and we love hotel vibe. And so we added wallpaper all throughout the house. So this is wallpaper, custom wallpaper. And to brighten up the space, we added this gorgeous chandelier. It's really a statement piece when you walk in. You walk in through the front door, you see the chandelier, and then you look right to the bar. We already had black countertops, so we kind of designed the house around the black that was already here.
That's why we chose the black cushions, the black bench, the black chairs, the black table. We took what was here and we just added to it. This is the heart of the home right here.
Yeah, this is our living room. This is where we spend most of our time, and this is basically Tristan's space.
This is not basically Tristan's space.
It is Tristan's space.
This is Tristan's space. But if you take a look, the same wallpaper that we used for the bar, we used over here on the fireplace. And most people think, this is thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, but guess what? It's just wallpaper. So wallpaper is a great hack to save money. We love the bifold doors because it has that, Southern California indoor-outdoor vibe.
So we'll open those up, especially when we're entertaining, when it feels really large. And for Tristan's birthday, we fit over 30 people here the other day, and it actually really works.
Heather has one rule in the kitchen, okay? The kitchen has to smell good, or the house has to smell good, and I am not allowed to cook bacon.
This is our product, so it's called Home by Tarek and Heather, or Home by Them. It just makes a home feel extra inviting and sets the ambiance, I think, for the house.
So, the jewelry of the kitchen
is our chandeliers. They're Swarovski crystal. They were handpicked by yours truly. They are very delicate, but well worth it because it makes the kitchen so beautiful.
So if you look at the hood, it looks super expensive and fancy. Here's the cool thing. All of this texture is just wax. It's probably my favorite part of the kitchen.
How can you say you like the hood more than you like our gorgeous backsplash?
I love the backsplash. I just like the hood more.
So the backsplash, it's 3-dimensional.
Yeah.
That has a few of the white veins going through, which then ties in some of the white on the countertops.
At the top of the stairs, we're at the 2nd floor now, and this is bedroom number 1. This is our teenager, Taylor. She loves glitz, glamour. She's got a teenager's room. Braden is just obsessed with sharks. He has a shark comforter, shark light, shark mouth. So he's a happy boy.
So now the room I designed, this is baby Tristan's room. So I've been obsessed with elephants since I was young, and there's elephants all throughout the room. So this is safe zone for him. He has his toys. He can just play in this room and I don't have to worry about him getting hurt.
It's nice having the primary on the other side of the house, so we get a little bit of separation. So this is actually a custom built 8-foot by 8-foot bed. And then to match the bed, we created a tufted pillow wall.
I mean, we're absolutely obsessed with this. Every time guests walk in and see it, they're just like, wow. And my nightstand, I have photos and the books I'm reading right now. One of them is my husband's book. It's a great book for anyone that wants to get inspired and change their lives, and I highly recommend it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming over and checking out our house, and we'll see you next time.
Hope you love the tour.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.